Hello and welcome back to Submerge's YouTube channel. My name is Rasmus and today's topic is how to take a shower with a brand new tattoo. You just sat through a long tattoo session. Congrats, well done trooper. Here comes the next 48 hours with your fresh tattoo. They are crucial and very important for the healing process and the long-term result of your new tattoo. Depending on how you take care of your tattoo for these first crucial 48 hours, you can have two results. One is a fresh, perfectly healed tattoo, and the other one is a not so nice healed tattoo that is not as intended and that might need a touch-up. I have been talking about this topic a few other times on this channel. I have personal experience as well with my Tinke, which is Danish for think, use your brain, use your light bulb tattoo here, and I didn't think with that one. I went to play football right away and I screwed it up. So back to today's topic. When is it that I can take a shower with my new tattoo? Most tattoo artists out there will recommend you to wait 4 hours until you take a shower. And it's very important to say that there is a difference between showering with a new tattoo and washing your new tattoo. When you want to take a shower with your new tattoo, it's very important that you don't, it depends on how you shower, but it's very important that you don't do a like 30 minutes steaming, hot, crazy shower where you end up soaking your tattoo, because that's not what you want to do. You want to wash your tattoo while you shower. For the first 2 weeks, I would highly recommend that you take a shower based on the fact that you have a new tattoo, so you don't end up soaking your tattoo, but you end up washing your tattoo. If your artist didn't apply cling film, as in the good old days, but applied a tattoo film, you can shower like normally. You just have to start listening to my advice on how to wash and shower with your new tattoo once you peel off the tattoo film. I personally recommend doing that after 24 to 48 hours. And of course, the thing about steamy, hot, crazy showers where you almost melt yourself, it still applies. A tattoo is basically an open wound. You just got your skin opened. And as tempting it is when you come home and you see excess blood and you see some excess ink and you want to wash it off, please wait for minimum 3 to 4 hours. And the reasons for why I want you to wait 3 to 4 hours is that you don't want to stress and irritate your skin more than it is. After these 3 to 4 hours, your skin will be done bleeding and the excess ink will also be pushed out. And as always, it's very, very important that you listen to the advice and experience of your tattoo artist. They know what they do. They know how the work they do normally affects the skin. These guys are the experts. We have 8 tips on how to shower and wash your tattoo. Tip numero uno: treat your tattoo like an open wound, because that's what it is. Your skin just walked through a traumatic experience. It just went through the process of being penetrated with a sharp needle thousands and thousands of times. It's stressed out. You need to treat it as stressed out skin, as an open wound, and therefore you want to make sure that you keep it clean, keep it sanitized, and also that you keep it calm so it's not becoming irritated again. Tip number 2. Temperature of your water. Make sure to use lukewarm water. Most people, like myself, tend to enjoy long, warm showers. Some people even like it steaming, like boiling water. However, it's not recommended. Remember that you have a new tattoo, an open wound, and you don't want to stress it out. With your new tattoo, your skin is very, very sensitive and new skin is currently regenerating. So you don't want to stress it out. You don't want to boil it. Using too hot water when you wash your tattoo can end up causing redness, irritation, and it can also end up possibly swollen. Number 3, wash the tattooed area with a cup or with your hand, or do the cup hand. It's important to avoid applying like a stream of water on your tattoo, because that's causing irritation. So what you can do is use your hand, be gentle. You can use a cup to apply water, or you can, as we always say, you can cup your hand. You know, it seems stupid, but it's good, it works. Water, you apply it. There you go. Number 4, make sure that whenever you wash your tattoo that you use a mild, fragrance-free, perfume-free soap that is not gonna cause irritation. You wanna use a natural and mild soap that doesn't really interfere with the process of your skin regenerating. The best soap to use whenever you wanna wash your tattoo is a soap free of fragrance, free of chemicals. And if you don't have any of these, I would actually advise on not using something that is full of chemicals. It's better to just use water than using the wrong soap. We of course have a very nice soap here at Submerge. Over to Mambo number 5. Make sure not to submerge your tattoo whenever you shower. I advise against using a bathtub for the first 2 weeks. That's also the reason why we advise against swimming with a new tattoo. You don't want to submerge your new tattoo because you don't want to interfere too much with the skin in the rebuild process. You all know how the skin is reacting when you go swimming or when you take a long bath in the bathtub, that your skin is becoming weird and you don't want to do that to your new tattoo. Number 6, make sure to take shorter showers than what you normally would do. Shower for the purpose of getting clean, not for the fun of it, not for the nice, intense, steamy thing that you might enjoy when showering. Shower like you know you have a new tattoo, because that's what you do. Number 7, well done, son. You took a short shower with the right soap and everything and the right temperature water. How do you then dry your tattoo? Use paper towel. Paper towel is the best you can do whenever you want to clean and dry your tattoo. I advise using paper towel because, with chances of saying something in very Danish English now, the paper towel doesn't crumble like toilet paper, for instance. So paper towel is the best thing you can use. Whenever you use paper towel, make sure that you pat dry it so you don't scrap it. You can also use a towel, like a normal towel. It's just very, very, very important that it's a brand, not new, but a very clean towel. Because what happens if you suddenly cross-contaminate? Maybe you wipe your lower parts with your towel and then you're scrapping your tattoo. No go. And when is your tattoo dry? I would say finish showering, pat dry it with paper towel, leave it for 5 to 10 minutes until the rest of your body is also dry and you don't have this after shower effect or feeling anymore. Number 8, make sure to use a tattoo balm, a balm that is built, developed and made for the sake of new tattoos. Apply a thin layer, but that's very, very important, because the worst thing that can happen with a fresh, clean tattoo is that you forget to moisturize it and suddenly you're in the process of dry healing your tattoo, and that's bad. That were the 8 tips on how to wash your tattoo when you shower. What to do afterwards? Let's dig into it. This is where your very important job starts, the aftercare process. We've done several videos, tattoo aftercare is what we do here at SorryMom. So click the link and see one of our other videos where we're going more deeply into how to take care of a new tattoo. I know it seems like a big job you have in front of you in washing and showering your new tattoo. It's not that crazy. I know we had 8 steps, but it's pretty basic if you ask me. Treat your tattoo like an open wound. Make sure that you don't stress it, that you don't irritate it. You can do that by making sure that you don't, scrub your tattoo, but that you use a gentle hand, that you use lukewarm water that isn't interfering with your skin, and that you use a mild soap with no chemicals, no perfume in it. And you can make sure that whenever you dry your tattoo, that you always use some gentle paper towel and that you pat dry it. That's the quickest and easiest sum up. Most importantly in all of this is that you treat it like an open wound. So if something feels bad to your tattoo, it most likely is bad for your tattoo. Treat it like an open wound, treat it with respect, both for yourself, your artist, and the work that you just got on your skin, and your tattoo is gonna heal up nicely. That's it. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave comments, questions, anything below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, ring the bells, go crazy, and happy showering. Bye.